Nature, revisited. When I fall from grace, the truth of my being, out of the story I imagined as real for myself, I return to nature. Between woods and water, I sit by the shoreline in silent retreat. I watch the sun rise and I watch the sun fall. I watch all the colours of the sky pass by. I make friends with the elements and weather. I welcome the wind and the rain and the sun. I pray to each one, giving thanks for their gifts. Blow these idle thoughts from me. Wash away my sins. Burn new life and love and light deep into my bones. Here I am renewed in communion with nature. Here I talk with the mink and the heron who come to visit a while with the birds in the trees and the stones at the water's edge, and the trees and the water too, bearing witness till the end of the day when the lake swaps the moon for the sun and the stars up above dance with crayfish below. And I realize in this perfect union, nothing is asked for and nothing is taken. We breathe and live and let go, always together as one.